Who became the Indian Army's first woman officer qualified to fly the Rudra armed helicopter? Correct answer is option B, Captain Hanshuja Sharma. Who won the women's singles title at the Australian Open 2026? Correct answer is option D, Elena Rybakina. Which state's tableau titled Ganeshotsav, a symbol of Atmanirbharta, secured first place at Republic Day Parade 2026? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Which veteran Bollywood actor received the Padma Vibhushan posthumously in 2026? Correct answer is option B, Dharmendra Singh Deol. Where was the 29th All India National Martial Arts Championship 2026 held? Correct answer is option C, Goa. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Border Security Force? Correct answer is option C, Praveen Kumar. Which university has secured the first position in the QS Europe Rankings 2026? Correct answer is option C, Oxford University. Who was honored with the Bhartendu Harishchandra Lifetime Achievement Award 2026? Correct answer is option A, Namita Gokhale. The India-European Union Free Trade Agreement is described as. Correct answer is option D, mother of all deals. India surpassed which country to become the world's largest producer of rice in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, China. Which district became the first in India to collect property tax through the Samarth Panchayat portal? Correct answer is option B, Dhamtari. Which team has won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, Vidarbha. Which two cities are connected by India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train? Correct answer is option D, Howrah to Guwahati. Who became the 92nd Chess Grandmaster of India? Correct answer is option C, Aryan Varshane. Where was the first phase of 6th edition of Halo India Winter Games 2026 held? Correct answer is option A, Leh Ladakh. Who was sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra on 31st January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sunetra Pawar. Who received the Ashoka Chakra during the 77th Republic Day 2026 celebrations? Correct answer is option B, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. What position did India secure in the Global Consumer Optimism Ranking in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, second. Who became the first batter to score a century in Women's Premier League history during Women's Premier League 2026? Correct answer is option C, Nat Skeever Brunt. What were the main themes of India's 77th Republic Day 2026 celebrations? Correct answer is option D, both A and B. स्वतंत्रता का मंत्र वंदे मातरम एंड समृद्धि का मंत्र आत्मनिर्भर भारत. Who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for 2025? Correct answer is option A, Gresa Machel. Which organization conducted the Vande Mataram Coastal Cyclothon 2026? Correct answer is option C, Central Industrial Security Force. Where was the 12th Smile International Film Festival for Children and Youth Festival inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which actor was recently honored with the Tamil Nadu State Film Award for Best Actor for his performance in Vada Chennai? Correct answer is option C, Dhanush. Who laid the foundation stone for large-scale green hydrogen and green ammonia plants in Kakinad? Correct answer is option B, N. Chandrababu Naidu. Who was elected unopposed as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party on 20th January 2026? Correct answer is option C, Nitin Nabin. Which country has the world's largest electrified rail system as of 2025? Correct answer is option B, India. Where was the Uttar Pradesh Regional AI Impact Conference 2026 held? Correct answer is option A, Lucknow. Where was the joint statement on energy cooperation between India and Canada signed? Correct answer is option C, Goa. Which country hosted the second India-Arab Foreign Ministers meeting in January 2026? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board in January 2026? Correct answer is option C, A.K. Balasubramanian. Which country has been announced as Bangladesh replacement for the T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option C, Scotland. Which state has declared 2026 as the Year of Agriculture? Correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Where was the 53rd New Delhi World Book Fair 2026 held? Correct answer is option C, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the chief coach of the Indian women's hockey team? Correct answer is option C, Suzord Maricne. Who took oath as Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Praveen Vasisht. Which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Gramothan Yojana to provide urban level facilities in rural areas? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Where was the National Textiles Ministers Conference 2026 held? Correct answer is option C, Guwahati. Who became the first individual from India's northeast to win a gold medal at a National Cadet Corps officers training event? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant K.M. Sudha. Indian Railways operationalized the country's first LNG diesel dual fuel demo train at which location? Correct answer is option C, Sabarmati, Ahmedabad. Which Indian public health expert has been awarded the Wheeler Research Heroes Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Chandrakant Laharia. Which Indian state recently inaugurated the country's first plate rolled products aluminium unit? Correct answer is option A, Odisha. Which Indian state is considering a ban on social media use for children below 16, similar to Australia? Correct answer is option D, Goa. Which Manipuri film has earned a nomination at the BAFTA Awards 2026? Correct answer is option A, Boong. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the National Investigation Agency? Correct answer is option C, Rakesh Agrawal. Which state has been awarded Best State for Promotion of Aviation and Ecosystem at Wings India 2026? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Who was the chief guest of India's 77th Republic Day in 2026? Correct answer is option D, both A and B. European Commission President Ursula von der and European Council President Antonio Costa. Where was the pilot project of India's first AI-enabled university launched? Correct answer is option D. Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. Which Indian state recently won the National Award for Most Proactive State under the Regional Connectivity Scheme UDAN in the Non-Priority Area category? Correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Which state has become the first in India to establish dedicated menopause clinics in government hospitals and urban health facilities? Correct answer is option B. Maharashtra. Which fashion designer and former pop star was conferred the title of Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters in France? Correct answer is option B. Victoria Beckham. Why did the Supreme Court keep the UGC regulations 2026 in abeyance? Correct answer is option C. Due to doubts over constitutional validity, including vagueness and potential misuse. What real GDP growth does the Economic Survey 2025-26 project for India? Correct answer is option D. 7.4%. Which service was adjudged the best marching contingent among the three services at the Republic Day Parade 2026? Correct answer is option C. Indian Navy. Which Indian state has emerged as the hub of the country's generative artificial intelligence revolution, hosting 39% of Gen AI startups? Correct answer is option B. Karnataka. Ajit Pawar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, died in a tragic plane crash on 28 January 2026 when a Learjet 45 crash landed at which airport? Correct answer is option C. Baramati Airport. International Data Privacy Day is observed annually on. Correct answer is option A. 28th January. In January 2026, Indian Railways deployed its first humanoid robot ASC Arjun at which railway station? Correct answer is option C. Vishakhapatnam. Which force won the Best Marching Contingent Award among Central Armed Police Forces and Auxiliary Forces in 2026? Correct answer is option D. Delhi Police. Which central ministry won the Best Tableaux Award at the Republic Day 2026? Correct answer is option C. Ministry of Culture. The fifth edition of the Rusoma Orange Festival was held at Rusoma village in which state? Correct answer is option D. Nagaland. Which organization won the Scotch Award 2025 for the life-saving cell broadcast disaster alert system? Correct answer is option C. C. Dot. The first phase of the census beginning from 1st April 2026 focuses on which aspect? Correct answer is option B. House listing and housing enumeration. In January 2026, the Union government has extended the Atal Pension Yojana up to which financial year? Correct answer is option D. 2030 to 2031. Who authored the book Chalice of Ambrosia, Ram Janmabhoomi Challenge and Response, released on 20th January 2026? Correct answer is option B. Surendra Kumar Pachauri. Which state topped the medal tally at the first phase of Khelo India Winter Games 2026? Correct answer is option B. Haryana. Where was the World Economic Forum's annual meeting held in 2026? Correct answer is option B. Davos, Switzerland. Which new sport was added to the ice skating program for the first time at the Khelo India Winter Games 2026? Correct answer is option D. Figure skating. Who is the President of the United Arab Emirates who visited India on 19th January 2026? Correct answer is option B. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. What is the primary purpose of the Board of Peace in Trump's Gaza peace plan announced in January 2026? Correct answer is option B. To supervise technocratic governance and reconstruction. When is NDRF Rising Day celebrated every year? Correct answer is option C. 19th January. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police? Correct answer is option B. Shatrujit Singh Kapoor. Where was the 78th Army Day Parade held in 2026? Correct answer is option D. Mahal Road, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Which edition of the BRICS Summit will India host in 2026? Correct answer is option C. 18th. Which film won the Best Movie Drama at the Golden Globe Awards 2026? Correct answer is option B. Hamnet. Which Netflix song won Best Original Song at the Golden Globes 2026? Correct answer is option A. Golden. Who won Best Male Actor in a Movie, Musical or Comedy at the 2026 Golden Globes Award? Correct answer is option C. Timothy Chalamet. Who is the Chancellor of Germany who visited India in January 2026 to strengthen bilateral strategic relations? Correct answer is option B. Friedrich Merz. What is the primary payload carried by ISRO's PSLV C-62 mission launched on 12 January 2026? Correct answer is option B. EOS-N1. Pravasi Bharati Divas, celebrated every year on 9th January, commemorates the return of which leader to India? Correct answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. National Youth Day is observed every year on 12th January to mark the birth anniversary of which Indian personality? Correct answer is option D. Swami Vivekanand. What is the primary milestone being commemorated by the Somnath Swabhiman Parv in January 2026? Correct answer is option D. 1000 years since the first documented attack by Mahmud Ghazni. National Highway Authority of India in January 2026 achieved two Guinness World Records for laying which material on the Bengaluru Kadapa Vijayawada Economic Corridor? Correct answer is option B. Bituminous concrete. In January 2026, India became the first country to commercially produce which road construction material? Correct answer is option D. Bio-bitumen. The Integrated Security Hub, inaugurated in January 2026, is located at which place? Correct answer is option D. Shri Vijayapuram, Andaman and Nicobar Island. India's largest integrated inland rainbow trout farm was inaugurated in January 2026 in which state? Correct answer is option C. Telangana. What was the codename of the US military operation conducted in Venezuela in January 2026? Correct answer is option B. Operation Absolute Resolve. World Braille Day is observed to mark the birth anniversary of Louis Braille. On which date is World Braille Day observed every year? Correct answer is option C. 4th January. India's first bullet train, scheduled to be launched on 15th August 2027, will operate on which high-speed rail corridor? Correct answer is option D. Mumbai to Ahmedabad. What is the official title of the Grand International Exposition showcasing the sacred Piparwaha relics related to Bhagwan Buddha, inaugurated in New Delhi in January 2026? Correct answer is option D. The Light and the Lotus Relics of the Awakened One. Who took charge as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff of the Indian Air Force on 1st January 2026? Correct answer is option C, Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor. India test fired two Pralay missiles in a salvo mode on 31st December 2025. The test was conducted of which state's cost? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. On 31st December 2025, the Union Cabinet approved the construction of a six-lane greenfield access controlled highway connecting which major cities? Correct answer is option A, Nasik, Solapur, Akkalkot. Exercise Desert Cyclone 2 was conducted between which two armed forces from 18th to 30th December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indian Army and UAE Land Forces. How many Padma Awards were conferred for 2026? Correct answer is option C, 131. Who has introduced Translate Gemma, a new family of open source translation models? Correct answer is option B, Google. Which of the following cricketer has been announced to be awarded the Padma Shri Award in 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Sharma. Who became the first Indian to be inducted into the Japanese martial art Kenjutsu? Correct answer is option B, Pawan Kalyan. Which Indian Army officer won the UN Secretary General's Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Major Swati Shanta Kumar. Which former world number 1 badminton player has announced retirement after a prolonged injury battle? Correct answer is option B, Saina Nehwal. What was the theme of the best tableaux presented by the Ministry of Culture? Correct answer is option B, Vande Mataram, the sole cry of a nation. Which Indian state hosted the National Paralympic Powerlifting Championship in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Who won the World Blitz Championship 2025 in Doha? Correct answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. Which Indian cricketer became the second highest run scorer in international cricket? Correct answer is option C, Virat Kohli. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 will be held at which of the following venues? Correct answer is option B, Bharat Mandapam Convention Center, New Delhi. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who became the Indian Army's first woman officer qualified to fly the Rudra armed helicopter? And the question number second is, who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for 2025? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.